Nagpaabot ng kanilang buong suporta kay Pastor Polo C. Quiboloy ang mga Israeli na miyembro ng KOJC. Ang detalye ng balita mula kay Hannah Jane Sancho.
Nagpaabot ng mensahe ng suporta at pakikisa ang mga Israeli member ng Kingdom of Jesus Christ. Kahit na malayo at ngayon naiipit sa gitna na nagpapatuloy na digmaan sa sariling bansa, ay buo ang suporta ng mga miyembro ng KLC of Israel kay Pastor Apollo C. Quiboloy. Ayon kay Brother Udi Adon, ang salita ng Diyos na itinuturo ni Pastor Apollo, ang gabay nila sa bawat araw, lalo na at puno ng kaguluhan ng mundo ngayon.
I am Udi Adud from the KLC of Israel. I believe that Pastor Apollo C. Quiboloy is the appointed Son of God. He is our model of goodness and standard of salvation. He helped a lot of people, especially to the children. I know and we believe that Pastor is innocent with all of these cases. My family is dedicated to serve the Father through His Son. His word is our guide and strength in good times and in bad times, especially in this war. We remain calm and have peace in our heart. We believe that He is in control of everything. We pray for justice to our beloved Pastor and to all KOJC. We love you, Pastor. No matter what, we are here for you. Praise the Father.
Para naman kay Brother Shimbal Eden, bilang miyembro ng KOJC sa nakalipas na 15 taon, ay napuno ng pagpapala ang kanyang buhay. Buo ang paniniwala nila na inosente si Pastor Apollo at pawang kasinungalingan ng mga ibinabatong akusasyon sa kanya.
Shalom lekulam. My name is Shmuel Eden. I am 45 years old, and for the last 15 years, I have been a kingdom citizen. During those years, I have experienced and witnessed blessing, personal as well as global, that occurred to the old kingdom nation. This all would never happen if there was no appointed man behind all of this. But the Almighty Father has sent us our beloved pastor, Pastor Apollo C. Quiboloy, who by his own example, by his preaching, by his conduct, has been leading all of us for so many years. Dear Pastor, our family is giving you the full support and we always stand by your side. And on the behalf of the KLC of Israel, we faithfully believe in your innocence. We miss you so much and we love you. Praise the Father.
Naaabot ng misteryo ni Pastor Apollo di lamang ang iba't ibang bahagi ng Pilipinas, kundi ang buong mundo. Ang mga miyembro ng The Kingdom of Jesus Christ ay matatagpuan sa may 200 bansa at higit 2,000 syudad sa buong mundo. Para sa Diyos at Pilipinas kumahal. Ito si Hannah Jane Sancho, SM9 News.